Hey guys, JD Riding back again with another video. I just wanted to say why I haven't ridden this bike in a couple of weeks. It's because it broke. You can see there's new friction shifters. And my bike is completely fine. But the only thing that's a loss is that I can't do wheelies on it anymore. But don't worry, I've got tons of wheelie videos on my camera right now, and I will post them about.
You're gonna do wheelies on this bike?
Yeah. As you can see, Enkay can do it. So that's why I've been gone for about I haven't been gone. I've been posting like other videos. There's gonna be more cage car videos coming. Me and Enkay might make one. Oh, this wind is brutal. Sorry about the wind, guys. I cannot help that at all. And it's really, guys, look. Oh, it's gone. Oh, it's right there. Check that. Check that out, guys. That I did that when I was going down the hill. It turned out so long. There's a what? Dude. There is actually one, if you guys don't know him. His name is Fooligan. Yeah. I like how you're like, facade, dude. This guy's driveway is gonna be terrible in a minute. You're like swiveling. What are you doing? Oh yeah, guys, I got my mount again. I made a new one. So bike vlogs are gonna be back. I hope you guys are excited about that.
This tire is destroyed.
Probably, yeah.
Oh.
Is that dirt? What is that?
It's threading.
Oh, dang, dude. There we go, guys. I did it. Whee! All right, guys. Ready? Ooh. Oh, it turned out like that? Let's go, boy. All right, I'll jump this one. Might not go very well. All right, guys, I'm going around the block right now. I'm gonna go around the block. This block is really cool. You'll find out why in a second, because it's so fun to ride on. I've gone around this block a lot, but I just haven't done it in my videos yet. And I thought I would do it. I guess this would be my first time doing it. All right, so it starts off kind of boring, but just wait, it gets a lot better, trust me. It gets a lot better. All right, we're finally up the hill. It was a pain to get up. Hey, you caught up. Seems like everyone's riding on this block. Huh?
What was that?
Oh, God. That was your tire. Guys, Noah's tire just popped.
I ran over a firecracker or something.
Look at that. Guys, this is where it gets really fun. This is where the fun begins. Boo! You guys know what I'm writing. Whee! Oh, too fast for you. Alright, I'm gonna let Enkay ride for a little bit. Once I start spinning. Whoa, that was fast, dude.
Do me record or what?
Side, dude.
Wait, pizza. I'm gonna have pizza.
Dude, and then we can put the cage cart. Oh my
Boom!
boy. It's gonna be all my
Best video ever.
Okay,
Alright.
Nah, I'm gonna change the shorts.
Hey, all the House of Gaming members are here.
Right. Uppercase channel.
Alright, House of Gaming is over here.
Yeah, we're making a video.
Ryan wanted to know if
Yeah, House of
you
Gaming
can hang
doesn't
out, Kyle.
really have a lot of videos. It has like 2.
What?
We have
Kyle.
2 videos.
Oh.
Whoa!
Hi.
I should definitely.
Do some spins.
Let's throw it out of the
What do you do
screen.
with your plate when you're done, Kyle?
You put it in this plastic. Yeah, you put it in this plastic. I put it in the can.
I live in a trash can. No, I'm just kidding.
Dude, that's bad.
No, you just look like a trash can.
Oh! Because he's been living with them.
Stop talking about yourself.
Josh, man.
I've used that on Twitter.
It's a roasting session. Boy!
This is all Easton's spit. I never spit in the garage. Either did I.
You did it right there.
I never spit.
Unless that's just water. I don't know what it is.
Oh, we got a broken.
Where the balls is Noah?
Mike? Oh, God.
Where's Noah? Is he doing wheelies? Where's he
Yeah,
at?
he just wrecked. He just wrecked.
He did?
Yeah, dude, this is.
Oh, he already got up. I was just about to go out there, guys. Enkay just wrecked. I was gonna go out there, but he was already up by the time I got there. Because this thing's slow. Just kidding. A hoverboard's faster than a ripstick, but ripsticks are still cool though.
Oh, my God.
Totally.
That's a lot.
I actually want a ripstick, but I gotta save my money.
Look at
I
that.
don't know if I'm gonna get a big one or a small one like this. I'm riding a different one this time than last time.
All that.
Sorry guys, I have a stuffy
that was
nose,
only
so it's kind of hard for me
I
to
got
do
it
it.
from here.
Yeah,
Down to the street.
I heard you wrecked. How was it? Was it delightful? Oh yeah, there is. Jeez, Easton's spit is everywhere. I'm afraid I'm gonna fall. Okay. I always get scared because I think I'm gonna fall right at those crack lines. I feel like I'm always gonna freaking fall, but I don't. It feels like you're gonna fall because it's such a hard landing. With shoes on it, my feet my feet cringe just thinking about it. Jeez. I'm trying to point at you. Crap.
36 pieces of gum in his mouth. 36 pieces of gum. 36